Okay, so I'm in the garden, starting. You okay, big guy? You okay? This is I believe both of these first two are hood pears. This one's doing a lot better, but this one seems to have a little bit of a harder time. But it's gonna pull on out of there. It's gonna figure out what it needs. And then this little stick is probably gonna be getting replaced. This is, I believe, loquat. And I believe this is a plum.
Yes, plum.
This is a hood pear. And then going that way is a shell apple. So that one's a shell apple. This one right here and this one are Ein Shamir. This one's not doing super awesome. I don't even know why. I have no clue what's going on with this thing. It was a beautiful tree. And then this one got knocked over and Eric rigged it and it came back to life. So hopefully it'll be strong enough to make it through hurricane season. And then over here, there's another apple tree we haven't planted yet, but I think we're gonna plant over here in the woods. And this one is a tropical sweet apple. And then the next one is the Santa Rosa plum. That's a nice looking tree. Has a lot of good new growth. Has these weird little flat bugs. Let's see if I can find one. And beetle bugs. But so far it's a pretty good tree. Has really good growth down low. A lot of ants though, like ants all over the place. And then the next one is the Scarlet Beauty plum. And this one's been doing pretty good too. This one had 2 plums on it this year. 2 little ones.
Wait, did they grow?
It's a good looking tree. And then the next one is super big and bushy, the La Feliciana peach. And it looked really nice, but it started going kind of yellow. May have been from all the rain. Have quite a few holes in leaves. Some yellow and redding on top. So I'm not sure what that's from. But we have had a lot of rain here recently and June beetles. So hopefully this one will make a comeback. In the middle is the loquat, doing awesome. Not having issues with parasites that I've noticed. Does get quite a few ants on it, but has a lot of really good growth this year. It is about rib cage high and has gained about that much of it in this portion of the year. Down here is a little itty bitty navel that went out. It died and then grew this back, which is above the graft. So we're hoping that this will turn into something. So some kind of something. And then the elderberry. We had 2 elderberry, the other one died off. Looked like there was some kind of pest inside the center of the tree. And then we have the two of them, mulberry, two mulberry trees. So the elderberry we got from Daniel and the mulberry we got from Mike. It seems to be doing pretty good. I got one hooked to water and one not hooked to water to see which one does better. And then coming back down this way, I've got 4 of what I believe are my, what's it called? Yeah, Satsuvas. They look pretty good. These ones were in pots for over a year. A lot longer than I anticipated having them in pots. But it happens. Fairly yellow leaves. They all look pretty good. And then another one of my peach trees. This one's the Swanee peach. So, size comparison. This one is growing taller, whereas the La Feliciana is growing kind of out and wide. This one seems to be holding in pretty good. The leaves are staying green. Still a lot of ants, which is weird. Like this right here. And then I'm not sure if I did the methyl plum tree, but that's the next one past the peach trees. Methyl plum, methylene plum. It's had a lot of nice new growth too, up in the top portion of the tree. And that is all of the trees.